Hi guys, welcome to today's flight vlog. Wind's picking up again. But see, now they won't know how bad the wind is because we're on the good camera. I forgot the good camera yesterday. Okay, I'm going to begin my takeoff roll right on the line so that I can see, without flaps, how much. So, full up elevator. Gear up. Performance at all. Like, this is the jet boat of airplanes.
At least you're going into it.
Beautiful landing.
You misjudged that one a little bit.
It's a beautiful landing. Going hiking.
You lose it there?
I lost orientation.
Oh, I thought you might have lost radio.
I may have, but it seemed to respond to commands all the way until it, I was like, nope, fuck it, boom. Just chopped throttle and drove her into the ground. So we started out back there. We're about half a mile from where we started. No, it's a bit of debris. The plane's out over here.
You want me to get it? This is like super mucky. At least it was back there.
You found a tennis ball? Mm-hmm. You're cool.
For Mackie.
It's okay as long as you don't stop.
It's quicksand. Oh, that's a deer. Hey, that's a softball.
You found a softball? Oh, you found a softball. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
I told you I would go get it for you if you wanted. Oh my god, look at it.
So this is, Jesus Christ.
Look.
We gotta get some stills of that. That is, here, I'm gonna hand this off to you. I think that's its last crash.
I agree.
That's a thumbnail right there.
That's your thumbnail for sure. This is solid right here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I must stand right there. So, how far is it? What's the length of our debris field? Hang on, ready?
I was gonna walk it, yeah.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Ah! Fuck!
21. About 24, 25 feet.
Oh, we're still, well,
And
that
then-
was probably blown over there.
I'd say 50 feet. I don't know about that way out there. Is that you too?
Yeah, what? That?
No, further. There's a white thing.
I don't see it.
I'll walk it. So here we are. Oh, 42.
Okay.
I'm gonna check and see if that's you.
Where? Oh shit, I didn't see that. Okay.
I don't think it is, but oh my god, my feet. Nope. I think the plane is dead. Oh! That's in my sock now. You gotta do a victory pose.
I have finally killed the rebel. Fuck this plane.
This is like,
So
this is probably half a mile from where we were.
this is a crash half mile away with a 40-foot debris field. I'll bet I can make this fucking thing fly again.
No.
I'll bet I can.
Oh, this is gonna be bad. You want to go upstream here, bud.
Oh shit!
I tried to tell
You gotta
him.
get that softball?
Tried to tell him.
You gotta get the softball for the dog?
No.
Softball right there. Got an airplane.
Glad you found it.
Just gonna do my walk of shame.
You see
I'd
that
like to point
school?
out, it is nearly where I thought it was.
You're pretty close, actually.
Yeah.
See that school? We started in the parking lot of that school. That's fucking far. Okay. We'll be back. Found a tennis spot.
All right, so I've crashed 2 planes in one day so far. I'm pretty sure both of these will fly again. I don't think I've ever crashed 3 planes in a day, but seems worth doing. Let me give it a shot. I have no control.
No?
I have no control.
Are you doing that? Oh my.
I have no control. Can I get it back on the ground?
Is your rudder working?
Kind of.
You're crabbing. Don't go on the roof though.
I'll keep it up. Well, can you roll? Kind of. I I barely have any control of this airplane. Tree, come on, tree. No, okay.
Oh. That's pretty good for no control.
There's like no ailerons at all. Barely any rudder. I got throttle and hope. Didn't crash it though.
Controlled crash.
My travels are all at 100. That's all the rudder I have. Look at that.
It's crooked too.
Yeah, it's out of trim.
Your ailerons looked like they had nothing.
That's all I've got for aileron. That's all I've got for...
Why are they so small?
This plane is fucked. Yeah, sure. Yeah, there's nothing to it. I'm not even gonna bother putting this in the air again.
No?
I can't fly a plane that I can't fly. Like there's...
That was weird.
Yeah, this plane's got demons. This plane is now parts. They discontinued this plane.
Oh, really?
Which really sucks because they had the Crescendo and I loved it, absolutely loved it. And then they came out with this version, which was the advanced. I had like 3 of the Crescendos and then I got this one, loved it, but it just got screwy, locked up and quit flying. Put a new brain in it, still sucks. So didn't crash it though, but she's never gonna fly again. Which sucks, because this was a really great airplane. That's flying for today. You guys have fun. Don't be afraid to break your toys.